What in the name of Dumbledore? What is that? Oh no. Hello Muggles and welcome back to an extra special episode of my Harry Potter Kitchen, the YouTube series where I am baking my way through the Harry Potter books, making recipes for all the food and drink featured inside. Now, last Monday we made our own Bertie Bott's every flavour beans, and when we say every flavour, we mean every flavour that is mentioned in the chapter. Now, if you missed that, I'll leave the links down below in the description for you to catch up, but today I'm going to be doing a taste test of all of those homemade jelly beans. Now, the process of actually making the jelly beans was really fun. First, you have to make the soft, chewy center for your jelly beans. Then you have to move on to your flavorings, and we did that in some weird and wonderful ways. So if you need a recap of all the flavors that we made, here they are. First, we used the simple flavor method where we boiled our sugar syrup and then added in chocolate, peppermint, marmalade, toast, coconut, baked beans, strawberry, curry powder, grass, coffee, and pepper. We also used the boil and infuse method to cook our spinach flavouring and our sprouts flavour. And then finally we had a cook and infuse method which we used for the liver, tripe, and sardines. Now, as fun as these were to make, when it comes to every flavour beans, it is all about the flavour. So in this video, I'm going to try it one by one, working my way through all of those flavours that you saw me make in the video. And there's going to be some good ones in there, like strawberry and peppermint, but I am not looking forward to liver, sardines, or tripe. And for those of you who don't know, tripe is the stomach of an animal. It looked pretty gross when I was preparing it, so here goes nothing. Okay, so we are all set. I've got one of each flavour of our Bertie Bott's every flavour beans in my cup, and I've also got a few other props here that might come in handy. Jug of water, just in case I need to cleanse my palate or get some taste out of my mouth. And I've also got a cheeky bowl. You never know. Best to be prepared. But let's go and tuck into the first bean. Now, I suppose the key question is, where do I begin? We could go with the safe route, which is to go for one of the greens or the red, which tended to be the nicer flavours, or the white, grey, yellow ones, pretty much anyone's guess. So I'm a Gryffindor, so I'm going to risk it. Starting off with this one. Oh no, it smells a little bit fishy. I'm just going to have to go with it. I'm not sure what that is, actually. It's definitely got an aftertaste of something, but I don't think it's the tripe or the sardines. Maybe it's coconut. Whatever it is, it's quite light and non-offensive, so I feel like that was a good start. So we're going to go for one of the greyish ones again, but let's see how it tastes. Oh no. I don't know what that was, but that wasn't good. It's not the fish, but I think it might be the tripe. It had a really weird, meaty kind of aftertaste. Okay, I feel like I need a flavour that I'm sure of what it is, so we're going to go for the red one because, you know, it's favourite colour, and I'm pretty sure it's strawberry, so stuck in. That is a strawberry. It's not too sweet, it's nice and refreshing, not overpowering with strawberry. I like it. Okay, so I'm feeling a little green for the next one, so there's three greenish ones in here. Sprouts, we have the peppermint, and we have the spinach. So I'm going to go for this one first. Wish me luck. I kind of wanted that one at the end to really cleanse all the bad flavours out. But it's pretty good. Okay, so we're going to go for one of the yellowy colour ones next. That is powerful. It smells like it might be the curry or the pepper. It's very, very, very fragrant. Let's see. No, it's not. That's coffee. I really like the aftertaste of that one. You get this kind of nice sweet coffee finish. At first, it was a bit too sharp, but pulled it back together in the end. Okay, so let's go for another one of our clear looking jelly beans. This one here is looking quite menacing. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh no, I'll pass. Okay, so I'm not sure what the one I thought was tripe before, but I think that was it. That's not good. It's really... Ugh. No, not a fan, not a fan. Okay, I feel like there are 5 ones that I'm not sure what the flavours are to go. So we're just going to keep on going through them and hopefully get to the good stuff. Meaty. I think it might be the liver. Oh, no. That is a positive twist. This is coconut. That's pretty good, actually. Okay, we're going to go for another one of the whitey grey looking weird things. That one literally just tastes like sugar. It's almost like a vanilla jelly bean, but we didn't have vanilla, so no complaints here. Cool. I think we're going to mix it up now, go for one of the green ones. So let's see what's waiting for us next. I think that might be the grass. It kind of doesn't taste like anything, but it just tastes like outdoors. So we're going to go with the grass. Not great. Okay, down to the final 7. These could be our Horcruxes if Horcruxes could be turned into Bertie Botts. Let's go for another clear one next. Oh god. I think this is sardines. Oh, Dumbledore, help me now. Oh my god. Oh. That one was horrible because it tricked me. At first I was like, oh actually it's not too bad. I could kind of taste a bit of the fish essence, but it was okay. And then as I finished it, the aftertaste lingered in and no. 1 out of 10. No sardines please, no. Okay, 6 to go. We're gonna go for another of the clear ones. This one is slightly speckled, so I'm thinking it's either the pepper or the curry. Let's find out. Definitely the pepper. Definitely the pepper. I think I might have been a bit heavy-handed on the pepper, because that is a mouthful of pepper. Okay, there's 5 to go and 2 of them are clear, so I'm going to try and eliminate one of them, and we're going to go for this one. Oh! I don't even need to put this in my mouth to know that it's the curry one. It's, you know how strong the pepper one was? I think this is just taking it up a notch. Oh dear. No. Oh no. Oh wow. The curry powder is so overpowering, and it was also hot curry powder, so it feels like I've just been hit in the head by forks. Don't touch that. Okay, final 4. 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 brown, and 1 white. I think the brown one is the chocolate, so I'm going to leave that one for a little bit. Let's go in for the yellow one. Hufflepuffs, this one's for you. Oh. What is that? I think that might have been the baked beans, but it tastes like off baked beans. If you've ever been a student and you've left your baked beans in the fridge too long, that is what that tasted like. Okay, final 3. We're going to go for a green one next. This is either going to be the sprouts or the spinach. Let's find out. Definitely spinach. I mean, it's not terrible. I've tasted a lot worse, but it's not great. Okay, we're almost at the ends of the road. I feel like because I know which one the chocolate is, I should probably eliminate that to leave a little bit of a surprise at the end. So let's go for it. That was cruel. Okay, I think I might have been a bit heavy-handed with the cocoa powder because that was really, really strong. So you didn't really taste the nice side of chocolate. You got chocolate punch in the face. Okay, so we've come to the final jelly bean, and if my guesses have been right so far, then this is probably either the liver or the tripe. I think I found out what the tripe was before, which means this is liver. Maybe the liver was a nice one that kind of just brushed past. I'm not sure. But I don't think it's going to be good. Let's get it over with. Oh! What in the name of Dumbledore? That is disgusting. I don't even know how to... It's definitely the liver. I don't know how to describe it. It's just disgusting, meaty liver disgustingness. Would not recommend. 0 out of 10. So there you have it. That ends my slightly traumatic journey through these homemade Bertie Bott's Every Flavour beans. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to try them out at home, I definitely recommend it. Play around with the flavours and the food colourings to keep your friends on edge. That is all for this video, but if you do want to see more, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and you'll get an alert on Monday when there is a brand new recipe. See you then.